Hey, biotech stock fans, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for uncovering the hottest opportunities in the market. Today, we're diving into a biotech name that's absolutely on fire. Chimerix, ticker CMRX. It's up a staggering 63% today, March 5th, 2025, trading at 8.41 cents as I record this. I've got the Webull chart pulled up showing a massive breakout, and I'm ready to break down what's driving this surge, whether it's a buy, and what's next for 2025. Stick around for my ratings and outlook. Let's jump in. First, let's get to know Chimerix. Based in Durham, North Carolina, Chimerix is a clinical stage biotech focused on oncology and antiviral therapies. Their lead candidate, ONC201, targets H3K27M mutant gliomas, a rare aggressive brain cancer, while their smallpox antiviral Tembexa secured FDA approval in 2021, a big win for their pipeline. They've got a stellar leadership team. CEO Mike Andriole, with over 20 years in biotech strategy, has been steering the ship since 2022, and their Chief Medical Officer, Alan Melamed, brings deep oncology expertise from Eli Lilly. Noteworthy partnerships include a $9 million upfront deal with Merck in 2024 to explore ONC201 combos, and a $238 million BARDA contract for Tembexa stockpiling, a government-backed revenue stream. Now, recent news. On March 4, 2025, Chimerix dropped a bombshell. Positive interim data from their Phase 3 ONC201 trial for H3K27M gliomas. The drug showed a statistically significant improvement in progression-free survival, and they're fast-tracking FDA discussions for potential accelerated approval. That's what's fueling today's 63% spike. Investors are betting on a blockbuster. Short interest? It's at 3.2% of the float, with 2.8 days to cover. Not crazy high, but enough to add squeeze pressure with this volume spike. Speaking of volume, check the chart. 77.5 million shares traded today versus an average of 1 million. That's a 77x surge. Let's zoom into the daily chart on Webull. CMRX was stuck in a tight range between $81 and $1.50 for months. Look at that flat line from September 2024 to February 2025. RSI stayed oversold, dipping to $14.57 at one point, screaming undervaluation. Then, boom. Yesterday, February 26, it spiked to $8.48 on the news, and today it's holding at $8.41. That's a clean break above the 200-day moving average at $112, with a golden cross forming, 50-day crossing above the 200-day. Volume confirms this move, and RSI at 78.35 shows momentum, though it's nearing overbought. If it holds above 7 to 50 cent support, traders on Webull are targeting $10 to $12 next. Fibonacci extensions point to $11.50 at the 1.618 level. Fundamentally, Chimerix is a $750 million market cap company now, up from $90 million pre-spike. They've got $180 million in cash, post a $50 million offering in Q4 2024, runway through 2027. No debt, which is a green flag. Revenue from Tembexa was $33 million in 2024, but ONC201's potential is the real prize. Analysts estimate $500 million peak sales, if approved. PE isn't meaningful yet. They're pre-profit with a Q4 2024 EPS of -22, slightly missing estimates. Risks? Biotech's a roller coaster. FDA approval isn't guaranteed. ONC201 could stumble in final data or regulatory hurdles. Competition in oncology is fierce. Think Novartis and Roche. And at $8.41, it's not cheap anymore. Early buyers at $1 are laughing, but new entries face a pullback risk if momentum fades. Buy rating, moderate buy. I'd scale in on dips below $8. Momentum's strong, but don't chase. Value rating, fair. It's priced for growth now, not a steal like it was at $1. Risk rating high. Biotech volatility and regulatory risks loom large. 2025 outlook. If ONC201 gets accelerated approval, $15 to $20 isn't crazy. 100% plus upside. A flop could drag it back to $5. So why is CMRX a hot ticket? That Phase 3 data is a game changer, and the chart's screaming breakout. With Merck's backing, BARDA's cash, and a clean balance sheet, Chimerix has the pieces to soar if they execute. But biotech's tricky. Approval hiccups or a market cooldown could hit hard. I'm cautiously bullish, eyeing a dip to add to my portfolio. What's your take? Are you jumping on CMRX or waiting for a pullback? Drop your thoughts below. Smash that like button if you're riding this wave, and subscribe for more stock breakdowns. Catch you in the next one. Let's make smart moves together.